Ever had a close encounter with road rage? Well, this dashcam footage captures a wild situation that escalates with construction workers. What starts as a minor clash quickly spirals out of control. Let's take a look at how it all unfolds in this crazy, tense moment on the road. Number 1. Man destroys traffic cone and curses workers. In Manhattan Beach, California, a driver loses his temper in a construction zone. He smashes a traffic cone, yells at workers, and hits another cone, creating chaos and frustration. Number 2. Dangerous overtaking during a U-turn. In LA, a car dangerously overtakes another attempting a U-turn, leaving barely any space to avoid a crash. It's a reminder that rushing on the road can lead to disaster. Number 3. Reckless merge in narrowing lane. In Texas, a 2-lane road narrows to 1, creating a bottleneck. A driver aggressively forces their car into the single lane, nearly sideswiping another vehicle.
Dude, it's 111. No, you don't. Hey, it's a zipper. I said it's not. It's no.
This could have been avoided with a little patience and proper merging. Number 4. Lane change collision on 2-lane road. In Greeley, Colorado, one car attempts to change lanes without checking its surroundings. Slamming into another vehicle. This crash emphasizes how vital it is to signal and ensure the way is clear before switching lanes. A little caution can really go a long way. Number 5. Kindness met with aggression at junction. In Milan, Michigan, a considerate driver slows down to let another vehicle pass. Instead of receiving thanks, they're met with shouting and aggression. This baffling response reminds us that not everyone will appreciate courtesy, but it's still worth practicing. Number 6. Speeding car avoids abrupt turn. In Downers Grove, Illinois, a high-speed car nearly rear-ends another vehicle, making a sudden right turn. This close call highlights the importance of signaling and checking surroundings before turning.
Asshole! Stupid.
Number 7. Sudden crossing at junction causes close call. At a Tennessee intersection, a car crosses abruptly in front of oncoming traffic. The other driver is forced to brake hard to avoid a crash.
Ooh.
Disregarding right-of-way rules and having serious consequences. Number 8. Speeding car nearly collides at intersection. In Glendale, Arizona, a vehicle speeds through an intersection, cutting dangerously close to another car. Failing to yield creates tense moments like these, often leaving little room for error.
Oh my god, bro!
Number 9. Erratic stop at green light causes disruption. In Lomita, California, a driver unexpectedly stops at a green light, confusing cars behind it. They then proceed through the yellow light, leaving others stranded at the red.
Green light, dumbass!
Such unpredictability disrupts traffic flow and increases collision risks. Number 10. Reversing car hits passing vehicle in parking lot. In a Georgia parking lot, a parked car reverses suddenly, striking another vehicle.
I don't touch my e-brake too much. That's a big car. There it is. It's so easy to loop that. Oh!
This incident underscores the need for careful attention in tight spaces like parking lots. Number 11. Illegal U-turn at red light. A driver in Plano, Texas, attempts a U-turn at a red light, nearly colliding with an oncoming car. Ignoring traffic signals like this can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Number 12. Abrupt U-turn causes collision in traffic. In Duval County, Florida, a driver executes a poorly timed U-turn in a congested area, hitting another car. A little more awareness and caution could have prevented this. Number 13. Speeding car hits two making U-turns. In Colonia, New Jersey, a speeding vehicle crashes into two cars attempting U-turns. Excessive speed in crowded areas is a recipe for disaster. Number 14. Bus cuts traffic at green light. In Annapolis, Maryland, a bus veers across lanes at a green light, narrowly avoiding collision. Professional drivers should be held to higher safety standards, making this incident even more troubling.
Chains and bangles glittered upon her person. You are preoccupied, my dear, she said.
Number 15. Erratic lane changes and a U-turn on 3-lane road. On a busy Utah road, a car swerves between lanes and executes an abrupt U-turn. This erratic behavior endangers everyone nearby and causes unnecessary chaos. Well, that certainly didn't end very well. Road rage with construction workers is never a good mix. Let's hope people learn to stay calm and keep their cool next time on the road. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you guys next time.